Kiwi fast bowler Trent Boult played 78 matches and got 317 wickets. Bob Willis from England played 90 matches and 325 wickets. Alan Donald played 72 matches, got 330 wickets. Mitchell Starc played 87 matches, got 353 wickets so far. Chaminda Was from Sri Lanka played 111 matches, got 355 wickets. Dennis Lillee from Australia has 355 wickets in 70 matches. Kiwi spinner Daniel Vittori played 113 matches, got 362 wickets. Former Pakistani captain Imran Khan has 362 wickets in 88 matches. Waqar Younis from Pakistan played 87 matches, got 373 wickets. Tim Southee from New Zealand played 96 matches, has 374 wickets so far. Malcolm Marshall from West Indies played 81 matches, got 376 wickets. Ian Botham played 102 matches, got 383 wickets. Makhaya Ntini from South Africa got 390 wickets with 101 matches. Curtly Ambrose played 98 matches, got 405 wickets for West Indies. Pakistani fast bowler Wasim Akram has 414 wickets in 104 matches. Indian spinner Harbhajan Singh has 417 wickets in 103 matches. From South Africa, Sean Pollock got 421 wickets in 108 matches. Richard Hadley from New Zealand took 431 wickets in 86 matches. Sri Lankan spinner Rangana Herath got 433 wickets in 93 matches. Kapil Dev from India got 434 wickets in 131 matches. Proteas speed gun Dale Steyn got 439 wickets in 93 matches. Ravi Ashwin got 496 wickets in 96 matches so far. Nathan Lyon from Australia has 517 wickets in 127 matches so far. The West Indies great Courtney Walsh played 132 matches, got 519 wickets. Glenn McGrath played 124 matches, got 563 wickets. The English fast bowler Stuart Broad played 167 matches, got 604 wickets. Indian spinner Anil Kumble played 132 matches, got 619 wickets. English fast bowler James Anderson played 183 matches, got 690 wickets so far. The late Shane Warne played 145 matches, got 708 wickets. On top of the list, Muttiah Muralidharan with 800 wickets in 133 matches.